Glad you're still with us on Colorado & Company. I'm Jackie Polisi. Deb Sheppard is the medium on a mission. We were with her as she helped two families deal with their loss of their loved ones. Take a look.
We've had a lot of death in probably the last 10 years, I'd say.
Yeah.
I think I stuck in that moment when I got the phone call that he had died.
He had cancer and passed away from that.
I've seen Felicia cry, but not Carolyn.
I actually started listening to Deb probably when she first came on the radio.
That's the key thing here too, is that we never focused on us and overcoming this grief that we felt. We've never taken the time out to do that.
I went on the Facebook Live where Deb does Facebook Live, and
That was so crazy. Oh my gosh.
she just read it. It was amazing.
I mean, she kind of shocked me with like what she knew. I was like, oh my god, she like knew like my ball flight. Like I was good at putting. It was like mind blowing.
Resolve some of my grief and be able to move on with my life.
I am a medium on a mission. Not protect, but block. My partner Jane and I hope to help people heal from the loss of loved ones. Before each reading, Dana takes time with our guests to make sure that they know and are prepared how to receive a reading from me. I go into every reading with as little information as possible, but I can tell you that they're hanging out with me way before I meet with the guest. After the readings, Dana and I will have a glass of wine and talk about how we can have a plan to help these individuals get through life and find new ways to reconnect. Medium on a Mission is about helping people heal and they can move forward with love.
Hi, ladies.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm glad you're here. I'm so excited about this. My mission has always been to help people heal and go through the process of, knowing that loved ones are okay and that you can still connect with them. So are you looking forward to this?
Very much.
Okay, good. Okay, so we told you kind of how this works because you guys are connected, aren't you?
We are all connected.
Okay, how are you connected?
Sisters.
Sisters. Okay, you have a brother that's passed.
Yes.
Okay, what's his name?
Steve.
Okay, was this unexpected for Steve?
Yes.
Okay, and was Mom already crossed over?
No.
Or was it he crossed over before Mom? Because I feel like there was a broken heart when he crossed over for your family. Did your mom and dad not talk about his death after he died? Was it kind of quiet?
It was difficult to talk about.
Okay,
It was
because I
very
feel
painful.
like the family just really had a hard time talking about what had happened. And is your father sort of a really tough guy? Because I feel like for him this was really hard for him to deal with the grief.
He was angry.
Very
It
angry.
just came out as anger.
Okay. He says, say hi to Dad. I don't know if your dad would believe this or not, but he's kind of like joking.
Does he know anything about the fire?
I'm trying to see, I don't want to just say yes, I want to see if I can get more information. Was this in a home?
Yes.
Is there a chance that he would have been gone before the fire? Because I don't feel like he died in a fire. I'm not seeing
He
that.
wasn't burned, but
The smoke
yeah, my
insulation.
dad's dogs died in their beds. There were 2 dogs too,
Okay.
and my brother died at the back door.
I don't feel him being burned at all. He breathed in the smoke, that's what killed him, so letting you know he didn't suffer. And I think that's important to know that he didn't suffer, that he just kind of fell asleep is what it feels like.
Can I ask another one? Does my mom see her great-grandkids?
Are there 3 of them?
I know there's only 2.
Is someone pregnant? We don't know about.
Well, my dad said he had a dream I was pregnant. I said, no, it's not
Is
me.
Monica?
Someone is pregnant.
Monica?
I didn't want to tell anybody.
Okay, well, there's another one coming.
Surprise!
Oh my gosh.
It's right here on
There you
TV.
go.
And I,
Right there
I knew
on
it if Dad said it. I
There's
said,
a third
somebody's
one coming.
pregnant.
Congratulations to whoever that may be.
I'm so excited for her.
So yes, I guess she does see it. And your mom would she point her finger sometimes?
All the time.
Dad.
Yes.
Because she's going, you
Always.
3 is what she's doing. She's you
Always.
3. So I'm imagining that she wants some healing for all of you too.
Hi.
Hi guys, thanks for coming.
Thank you for having us.
Doing this, yeah, this is exciting for all of us, huh?
It is.
So I'm just going to tune in and see who comes through, and then we'll, see what else questions you guys may have. Okay, is your husband passed?
Yes.
This your father then,
Yeah.
I'm assuming? Okay, and what's his name?
Dwayne.
Okay, and your mom's also passed?
Yes.
Because your mom just came through? And your mom has a big smile on her face. So the feeling is that she's glad you're here. So I'm assuming there's another reason behind this, but did she not believe in this very much or wasn't sure?
I'm not sure if she did or not.
Yeah, I'm kind of getting like, this is kind of cool. And was she one of those good
Totally her.
moms?
Yes.
Yes, because I feel like she was the mom that you looked up to, that you wanted to match what she would do. And I feel like her grandkids were so important to her as well, because I feel like the grandkids were great. Your dad feels too young to pass. How old was he?
54.
He said he taught you things, though.
Yeah, he taught me how to play golf.
Taught you how to play golf. He's just saying don't give up. And I kind of get it as make him proud.
Really?
Yeah.
Because like about a week ago, I tried to commit suicide.
Okay, no wonder he's talking to you. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Still, it's okay. And
So-
when I heard about this, I
And
was
you're so proud to do this.
Yeah, I can't tell you how like my energy levels went from here to like up here.
He doesn't want you to feel like that's where you need to be. He says you're here. You need to be here. And I feel like as time goes on, you may be an advocate for addictions and mental health, that you can be a voice for a lot of other people.
I do. I really do want to help others, especially in my sport, because I'm pursuing golf professionally, and I feel like I can help a lot of people. I know there's a lot of people out there that are dealing with mental issues, and after going through what I went through, I have a lot of laceration scars on my arms from cutting myself from the first time I tried to commit suicide, and I was constantly thinking about, man, how do I cover these up? Do I do skin graft? I mean, I was looking up companies and everything, tattoo artists to try to cover it up. And I was like, I can go into the course and use this as a tool to help others.
It's a badge of honor.
Yeah.
I feel like you can help so many people. Suicide is, it's on
like an uprise, and it's
yes.
scary.
So you can be a voice for that it doesn't define you.
Yeah, it doesn't.
And you just don't make, no wonder I wanted to cry. You have such a light on you. You have this really powerful energy.
Thank you.
And so even though that you've gone through these really tough times, you really have a huge soul and a big purpose here. So I'm looking forward to following your journey.
Thank you.
Tell me about this.
That's what Mom
The
did.
signature of our mother, and even grandkids have picked up on it. She was always a pointer. She would think, let me see, and then point with that finger, and we would always laugh.
I wasn't expecting for her to come right off the bat and say what has been on my mind the most. Like that caught me off guard. That was mind blowing.
A third baby in the family. A baby! No, that was a great outing right there.
And then her face.
When she said that he feels bad for not saying anything and fixing things before he left, that's what I needed to hear, honestly.
I really feel like there's a reason we were chosen, and we're really meshing so well with this other family.
We really appreciate
That's kind of exciting to me.
appreciate the opportunity.
We can all heal together, hopefully.
Wow, Deb and Dana have given the families you just saw a plan for healing and moving forward. And 1 week from today, they and Deb will be here to talk about their progress, and we may even get more messages from beyond. To learn more about Deb's workshops, go to debsheppard.com. We'll be right back with more Coco.